up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Thank you for tuning in on today's video. You guys can see it. We got the sled pull dually in the shop and we are doing a really cool install. I'm pretty excited about this because this is it's more in the looks department than it is the performance department, but this is a super cool thing that you guys can do to really liven up these old trucks. So let's jump right into it. So check out these bad boys right here. Boost Auto hooked this up. We have a set of their Luma steps. The coolest thing about these is this guy right here. That is one giant light that is going to go all the way along the entire step of the truck. If you look at these horrible dinky little OEM ones, don't mind the cap corner. If you look at these horrible dinky ones, they're obviously super faded. And yeah, they're junk. The full install kit here, we've got the harnesses, we've got new brackets and everything that are going to be going on. The cool features that are not only going to be lighting these up, but we also have basically all the same things that we have on the mirrors. So those are also Boost Auto mirrors. So not only do these steps function with park, so this entire strip will light up amber, but it also has turn signal, but actually sequential turn signal. Starting from the front, when the turn signal is turned on, you're gonna have a sequential light that goes along the entire running board. The extra harness that we have here is what they call their rock light harness. This rock light feature allows you to flip that switch and then these will stay in a solid LED white color. The first thing that we got to do, we have to pull off our factory running boards off of the truck here first, and then we will go ahead and start installing the brackets. We're going to do a quick here photo before and after. Let's jump into the work. So like I said, here are our new C-clips. Now, being a super cab or an extended cab truck, we only have 4 brackets total, so 2 for each side. One's going to go all the way in the front, one's going to go all the way in the back. They also send these really nice covers. They're going to go over these, which is really going to help with protecting the metal surface here from chipping. In addition, they've got these really nice pads over the tops here, again, to help protect our nice running boards. And yeah, I can't say enough, man. This stuff is really high quality, very well thought out kit. So the other thing I'm noticing here too is they slotted these holes in the bracket, so you have about I would say close to an inch, maybe a ½ inch worth of adjustment here. So okay guys, so we got the brackets on both sides. We also have our little guards here put on as well. Those look good, and we are ready for the install of the actual running boards. All right, guys, so we are to the point where we got to do the not so fun part, which is the wiring. We've got our 2 harnesses over here. We're going to put the power side, the main harness for receiving power. We're going to put that on the passenger side, and we're going to put the other one on the driver's side, and then we just got to run our tail across to connect them together. So let's go ahead and get started with that. The first thing we're going to have to do is we do have to remove our grille and headlights up front here. So that's what we're going to dig into next. We're going to get that stuff ripped apart up front and then go ahead and drop our harness down from the top to get down to our really cool, super neat running boards. So we went ahead and ran both of our harnesses down each side of the fender to get plugged into our module that's on our Luma step. Like I said, we've done that on both sides. So it just tucks right behind the fender. It's going to follow that wheel well liner down and then plug into our Luma step. And then from there, our secondary harness, right, is going to come out to where we're going to tap into our driver's side headlight. And then off of that harness, it's gonna come across and tap into our primary right here. And then that's where we're getting our positive and negative on the battery. Now, the way that we are going to do our connections here at the headlight, we already have one connection or tap that we cleaned up really nice for our Boost Auto cab lights. But I think the way we're gonna do it, they do have a connector, which is super nice, because if we ever have to remove our headlights, we can simply undo that connector. So I think what we're gonna do is we're gonna snip these 3 off and just go ahead and hardwire these. The white is for the optional rock light, the blue is for our parking, and then this red and yellow is gonna be for the turn signal. We know that this is turn signal, the brown is always parking, and then our black is ground. So the only other thing we're gonna have to add in here is for our white, because we do have the rock light function. So I've already taken a quick peek, and oh my gosh, these things are so freaking cool. Combined with our mirrors and our cab lights, and then the dually with the dually markers and everything, it looks so good. Can't wait to show you guys. We're gonna flip over the camera, show you guys how cool this is. Let's do it. Well, guys, that is going to wrap up today's video. Thank you guys for tuning in. Don't forget to head over into the description of this video. We've got links down there, and they are actually, Boost Auto is doing a Black Friday, Cyber Monday sale. So this is a great opportunity to pick yourself up one of those awesome Luma steps, as well as we've got the cab lights and also the mirrors. Guys, in combination, I mean, they're so freaking cool. So make sure you guys are going in the description, drop a comment, leave a like as well if you enjoyed this video. We'll catch you guys in the next video.